Ngapain? Pagi-pagi Rian.
Mati muda gue rasanya.
Astagfirullahaladzim. Terus diteritnya kayak sake gitu lagi. Ngakak banget anjir. Ini baru jompo. Aduh. Serah terima jabatan.
Tersulit apa yang pernah kamu buat dalam hidup?
Ketika gue harus memilih antara orang yang gue sayang nih, as in bukan dari keluarga ya, maksudnya cinta sama bokap dan nyokap.
Pernah harus memilih antara itu?
Sorry banget.
It's okay.
Sorry ya guys. Gue pernah kayak suicide. Bayang gak anak umur SD kelas 1 itu jam 5 disuruh bangun. Waktu itu disuruh sholat, ya kan. Cuma I don't have any say in anything karena
juga anak harus nurut.
Gue masih kecil, terus gak, udah kan. Habis sholat gue gak tidur lagi. Seneng banget deh, aku baru dapet nih ada bra seamless gitu sama panty seamless dari Comfywear. Jadi untuk kalian para perempuan yang suka nggak nyaman dan juga gerah pakai bra yang ada kawatnya, mendingan ganti deh langsung ke Comfywear karena bener-bener nyaman banget dan ini bener-bener lebih sehat juga karena nggak ada kawatnya. Ini anti jiplak, terus juga anti iritasi. Kapan lagi tuh kalian bisa pede dan nyaman sepanjang hari menggunakan seamless bra dari Comfywear. Urusan size tersedia dari S sampai XXL. Kemudian ada pilihan pengait dan non pengait. Panty juga enak banget dipakai, ngepas dan juga gak jiplak dan gak panas dan pastinya nyerap keringat. Langsung aja cek di Comfywear. Ada kabar gembira nih guys, jadi ada local brand skincare yang baru banget launching. Dan aku dikirimin PR package-nya dari Good Vibes Skin. Yang pertama, aku menggunakan kojic acid yang bisa membantu mencerahkan kulit wajah agar tidak kusam. Selanjutnya aku menggunakan sunscreen untuk melindungi kulit dari paparan sinar UVA dan UVB pada saat aktivitas di luar ruangan. Sunscreennya tidak meninggalkan white cast loh. Dan yang terakhir untuk menyempurnakan rangkaian skincare-nya, aku menggunakan face mist. Face mistnya juga sudah memiliki active ingredients loh. Pokoknya kalian yang kepo sama khasiatnya, langsung aja kalian cek di Good Vibes Skin karena lagi ada diskon 15% loh karena mereka baru launching. Langsung dicek ya. Yo, still can't believe you're here. Yeah, bro, it's so funny. He's not used smoking in a fucking restaurant. He's just standing right there.
You just banget. Orang lain kenyang anjing, gua kenyang anjing. Sebat you. Sabi.
Ngakak banget anjir.
And you left your wallet at my house. I can order the Gojek to come to my house, give him your wallet, and he will deliver it to you.
Telling me I can be a villain. I pay this guy.
A villain?
Like the guy is at the back.
Yeah, the passenger.
And he just drives me around.
Yeah. That's
and I just sit there.
Bro, that's the whole concept of Gojek. That's where it started.
Holy fucking shit.
But you know Gojek was an Indonesian brand.
You tahu ada Gojek anjing.
Okay, Gojek is an Indonesian.
You guys know that you can take a fucking motorbike in Indonesia. Gojek. Karin, can you please explain to them? She's taking a motorbike.
Yep, you can actually go anywhere and
it
can take you places.
It's official. It's official. You guys know that you can take a fucking motorbike in Indonesia. Gojek. Karin, can you please explain to them? She's taking a motorbike.
Yep, you can actually go anywhere and
it
can take you places.
It's official. It's official.
Yasin, come.
Oh my god.
Yasin. Yasin, I want to show you how to make a what?
It's a composition fit.
Composition fit.
Bro, this looks like those Pinterest pictures, you know?
Yeah.
What the fuck is this?
So this is the flavor.
For the shisha, we're gonna smoke this?
Yeah.
What is this?
It's illegal in Singapore to have shisha.
What is
so
this?
This is gonna be his first time.
What is this?
This, I think it's, I don't know. It's, you can smell it.
Like what is it? Like what? Like tobacco?
Like it's, yeah, tobacco.
Oh, what's
it's
it?
a flavor.
Oh, you put flavoring. Shit. It looks like some food. Can I eat it?
No.
It looks like sambal goreng or some shit.
Sambal goreng. Okay, so you put it in here. So this one is already mixed.
Oh.
So you don't have to mix it.
What flavor is it?
I think they have peach in it.
Oh shit.
Inside, yeah.
The fruit peach.
Yeah.
Inside.
Yeah.
Damn.
It smells like one.
So you can order this, like you can order this,
Yep.
and you brought your own shisha. Wow.
So this is the bomb right here.
Wow, this is yours?
Yep.
Wow.
I got 13 actually.
You got the fucking...
Yeah.
You got 13 shisha.
13 bombs.
Bro, if you're in Singapore, you'll be in jail for 7 years. I'm just saying, this is a 5-year offense right here. 2 times, that's 3 years.
Really?
Yeah, I don't know. I'm just fucking around. Bro, this is so Architecture's Digest. Am I in a magazine right now?
Yasin was like, when we walked in, it was like, this is like some Kendall Jenner 21 questions of Vogue shit.
Hi, my name is Yasin. This is my conversation bit. That is designed by, you know, whatever fucking Japanese
Jason Trudeau or whatever.
Jason Trudeau, fucking Mona Lisa or some shit.
Sabi banget.
Why did we have went for Indo?
Bro, that's why we're here. We all Def Jam, bro. We're alive together, bro.
I love you, man.
Raja, look at them. They're talking about you.
Yeah, that's you, bro. That's you, and that's love, bro. That's what it is, bro. We need people like you in his life. Because if nobody did it, if Raja didn't get it, God did.
You're the most positive person I've met in my life.
Yeah, 100%.
Belakangan ini kita dihebohkan dengan isu-isu perselingkuhan, misalnya Adam Levine dan juga salah satu seleb dari tanah air yaitu Reza Arab yang dipergok sama istrinya Wendy Walters kalau Reza Arab ini selingkuh. Dan saat ditanya ke Reza Arab,
This is a shoot, yeah.
Rock, this is shoot.
Rock, paper,
Really? I got it one more.
Alright, take your time.
What are you gonna go for?
I'm gonna go for scissors.
Yeah.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Bitch, man.
Son of a bitch.
Suddenly I don't like Bali.
All of a sudden.
Here, Sante,
Sabi.
Kanpai,
Kanpai.
Sabi.
Sabi. Santé, ciment. There.
Okay, let's go.
Two left.
Yeah, what?
Belum. One, two. Itu hitungan lap. Gue dulu Olimpiade renang ya.
Start dari sini.
Gue Olimpiade renang nih. Walaupun I get asthma, gue Olimpiade renang.
Kita gaya kupu-kupu aja gimana?
Gembel kayak kupu-kupu gimana kolam renang sekecil kolam ikan aja.
Tadi awalnya Yasin ngajak balapan, I'm like the pool is short.
Dua kali kayak kupu-kupu udah habis anjing. Tep nyampe.
You know what? It's true of you guys raised.
I'm sorry, bro. Stop.
Let me take the shot for this.
Ready?
Wait. Let me go to this side.
Okay. Good judges.
Gue ngakak keluar.
I'm Simon Cowell.
Belum mulai. Belum mulai.
Ayo berdiri. Ini.
Jangan ke belakang.
Let's go.
Ini ngapain anjir?
Biar nggak berat.
I'm squeezing it. Yang pegang gue yang.
Nggak lu yang bentar.
Alright, ready, let's go. 3, 2, 1.
Go.
Jangan, don't blame me, you're the one who hit.
Bantal lu anjing.
Udah.
Ayo,